Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add customer login on Shopify. This feature is essential for creating an inviting and user-friendly experience for your online shoppers, enabling them to manage their orders and preferences effortlessly. Customer accounts also help build trust by giving shoppers a dedicated space where they can view order history, save addresses, and feel more connected to your brand. Let's walk through the process together so you can seamlessly integrate this functionality into your Shopify store. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the bottom left corner of your Shopify admin panel and click on Settings. This is where Shopify keeps all of your store-level configurations. Once you're in the Settings menu, look to the left panel and select Customer Accounts. This section controls how customers sign in, create accounts, and interact with your store after making a purchase. Enabling customer login is a fantastic way to enhance their browsing experience, providing them with the ability to track their orders, check out faster, and enjoy personalized shopping. It can also reduce customer support requests since shoppers can answer many of their own questions by logging in. After selecting customer accounts, you'll need to enable the option Show Sign-in Links. When you do this, Shopify will automatically display login and sign-in links in the header of your online store, usually near the top navigation where customers expect to find them. This ensures that your customers have an easily accessible and intuitive way to log into their accounts whenever they're visiting your shop. They don't have to search for a login page or guess where to sign in. It's an excellent way to not only improve user experience, but also foster a sense of community and loyalty among your customers, especially for returning buyers who shop with you regularly. Next, you'll be prompted to decide which version of customer accounts best suits your store's needs. You have two options here. The first is the Modern Customer Accounts option. This option is quite innovative, allowing customers to sign in using a one-time code sent directly to their email. It's convenient and streamlined, especially for mobile users, removing the need for your customers to remember yet another password and reducing forgotten password issues, which can often interrupt the shopping experience. Alternatively, you might prefer the legacy login method. This more traditional approach requires customers to create an account using an email and a password. For some businesses or customers, having a set account with a password is preferable for the added sense of privacy and security it can provide. This method may also feel more familiar to shoppers who are used to standard login systems across other websites. Choosing the right type of login method will largely depend on your specific customer base and their preferences, as well as how you want your brand experience to feel. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you have now successfully added a customer login feature to your Shopify store. It's a relatively simple process that results in a significant improvement in customer satisfaction and engagement. Remember that an empowered customer who can effortlessly manage their shopping experience is a happy customer, likely to return again and again. Customer accounts can play a key role in increasing repeat purchases and long-term loyalty. Thank you for taking the time to follow along with today's tutorial. I hope you found it clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Good luck with enhancing your Shopify store and happy selling!